Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is branding as far as writing is concerned. And you have to brand yourself while writing. Personal branding through writing means using your words to show the world who you are, what you believe in, and what you are great at, consistently and authentically. Every post, email, article, or caption you write is a chance to shape how others see you. Whatever you're writing is, it defines who you are as a person. So that's important. As far as branding is concerned, it's very important. What you have to do is you have to start with clarity. What's your core message? Who are you speaking to? And what unique perspective do you bring to the table? So these are the 3 points that you need to keep in mind. What's your core message? Who are you speaking to? And what unique perspective do you bring to the table? The next point is then write with purpose. And once you establish whatever I've discussed in the previous slide, then you write with purpose. Choose a tone, for example, professionalism, warm, bold, or witty, that feels true to you and connects with your audience. Consistency in voice builds recognition. You have to consistently build upon all the promises that you have previously promised your customers. For example, write with purpose, choose a tone, for example, professional, warm, bold, or witty. You have to choose the right tone. The tone will depend on your audience. What are they looking for? And you have to determine the tone, the exact tone that you want to convey your message in. And once you decide the tone, then you have to stick to the tone to build your brand. Always focus on value, share real stories, hard earned lessons, practical tips, or fresh insights that help or inspire your readers. Over time, people will know your writing just by your style. Once you establish a routine or a habit, then you are in a better position to start writing. You have to add value, share real stories, hard earned lessons that only you know about, and practical tips or fresh insights that help or inspire your readers. Over time. People will know you're writing just by your style. We're talking about building a brand in this video. So use platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn to share your voice regularly. But remember, consistency beats perfection. Consistency will always beat perfection. That's a must. Show up, engage, and keep refining. So the procedure is really very simple. You have to show up, engage, and keep refining. So, most important thing, what is the most important thing? Most importantly, personal branding isn't about bragging. You're not showing anything off. It's about serving, adding value, and other stuff. When you write to help others, your credibility grows naturally. And that trust leads to opportunities that align with your values and goals. It's quite easy to understand. You need to serve the people. And when you write to help others, you need to help them out, and your credibility will also grow naturally. And that trust leads to opportunities that align with your values and goals. And once you start taking the steps to reach an established position, then you'd be in a better position to charge more for your services. In short, be clear, be concise or consistent, be helpful. Let your writing speak for the real you. Now go out and build your brand through your writing. If you are a content writer or copywriter, you need to build your brand, and this way you can earn more. You can become financially independent just by writing. Thank you for listening. Take care and have a nice day. Decide the tone, then you have to stick to the tone to build your brand.